What's up, guys? Joseph Gordon right here. I'm super excited to always bring videos like analysis to you guys every week. So last week, our analysis play out like it worked perfectly. So what I do is just to basically send analysis every new week, like our Monday trades. So you can basically go back and check our trades. That is the analysis that I made like this. On Monday we cut this trade, which was last week. The week before that we cut this buy too. Which other one again? I think before then too. We catch another buy here too. So for almost a month now we've been catching trades, catching Monday trades. We've been catching them. I think somewhere around here too. So just go to my what's it called? Just go to my YouTube post. You will see them there. Now today we are going to do a brief recap and a forecast of what we are expecting to happen this new week. So I'm not saying because I'm winning for almost a month now. I'm not saying because I'm winning for almost a month now that I'm going to win forever. Past profit does not guarantee future profit. With that said, let me just do a brief recap. So on Monday we caught this buy from here up onto here. This sell, we analyzed the market to sell from this point and it failed. Yeah, so I hit stop loss here. So I caught this trade, I hit stop loss here. I was waiting for the test of trend line here, but it didn't come. So I sold here and I closed at this point. That's one to two risks to reward, which is fine. So now let's analyze the chart. Let's analyze the market again. Let's analyze the market. Analyze this pair with me. Let me delete everything. What I do is to basically go on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame. This is what we call top-down analysis. So for those of you that have been following this analysis too, you will know why I mark out some zones. So first of all, we have something like this. Yeah, let's just do something like this. Now you go to daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are in an uptrend. You can basically see we are in an uptrend because the market is still creating series of higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. In an uptrend, we are in a on the daily time frame too. We are in an uptrend too. Now let's downsize it to a lower time frame. The analysis is even simple. We are in an uptrend, so we should be doing more of buys. So we shouldn't go against the trend. Now let's see again. Let's go to 4 hours time frame and plot another trend line too. So if you've not watched last video, I explained how to plot trend line like a pro. Yes, if not watch it, you can basically go back and watch that video, because in that video I explain everything about trend line, everything about trend line, including position, adding position, when to stack, when to like everything. Just go there. I don't want this video to be too long. Just go and search it yourself. Now on 1 hour time frame, we have another trend line connecting from this point up onto this point. Good. Which other thing are we missing out on? Let's see. Okay, this is a zone. We are still expecting market to come and retest this point. So with that said, what are we expecting to happen now? If this market break this off, we wait for retest, then we sell down to this point, which is the retest of this trend line, and we'll continue to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. Why did I want to sell even we are still in an uptrend? Because this market is too steep. This trend line is too steep. You get. So you understand how to use trend line on that last video. If you've not watched it, just go there and watch it. This is what I'm expecting to happen now. So market to come back and retest this point, then we'll buy. To just come back and touch this trend line and then we'll buy to the upside. Pretty simple. So if that doesn't happen, it will even definitely happen. I'm not the one that is controlling the market, so I'm just predicting. I'm just analyzing. Let me not use the word predicting. So that is that for that one. Very simple, no complicated things. And again, I have a Telegram channel where I do share everything, every damn thing that I'm doing. Yeah, look at it. Everything is here. This is the video that I'm talking about. Trendline masterclass. Just a few people are into everything, every damn thing is here. So if you are not here, I advise you to be here too, and let's trade together. I think here I was like, I'm selling PUSD stop loss. I will give you the stop loss point and the take profit point. But on this case, I didn't give take profit point. I only give the stop loss point. Then this is my entry. This was my entry. Yes, this was my entry. So I also give. When it is time for breaking, I was like, break even or close the trade now. Now, why did I close the trade? It was very, very simple, because I think it was somewhere around this point. The entry was very, like, it was sniper entry. I think I shot at this point. It was sniper entry. I shot at this point. It was what? Sniper entry. Sniper entry. So I was aiming at 1 to 7 leads to reward, but as I see that market is behaving anyhow, I have to leave it. So it was 1 to 7 that I was targeting. So as market keep on rejecting at this point, I just exited. See the entry? It was very, very like sniper entry. You get? Very, very simple. So that's that for that one. If you're not in our Telegram channel, you can join. It's for free. You're not paying any dime. Free, join and let's trade together. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace out.